ClickUp has gained popularity across various industries and team sizes due to its versatility and customization options. From small startups to large enterprises, ClickUp's user base is diverse. Let's take a closer look at the different types of users and organizations that utilize ClickUp. Individuals and freelancers. ClickUp is a valuable tool for individuals and freelancers who need to manage their personal projects, tasks, and time. Its flexible features allow them to organize to-do lists, track deadlines, manage personal projects, schedule appointments, streamline their workflow. Freelancers can also use ClickUp to manage multiple clients, track project progress, and collaborate on deliverables. Small businesses and startups. Small businesses and startups often have limited resources and need a cost-effective solution to manage their operations. ClickUp's free forever plan and affordable paid plans make it an attractive option. These businesses use ClickUp for project management, task tracking, team collaboration, client management, process documentation, marketing campaigns, sales pipelines, customer relationship management, CRM. ClickUp's customization options enable small businesses to tailor the platform to their specific needs and workflows. Medium-sized businesses. As businesses grow, their project management needs become more complex. ClickUp's robust features and scalability make it suitable for medium-sized businesses. These organizations leverage ClickUp for cross-functional project coordination, resource management, workflow automation, reporting and analytics, integration with other tools, agile project management, remote team management, HR processes. ClickUp helps medium-sized businesses improve efficiency, streamline operations, and enhance team productivity. Large enterprises. Large enterprises with complex structures and numerous departments require a powerful and customizable project management solution. ClickUp's enterprise plan offers advanced features, security, and support to meet these needs. Enterprises use ClickUp for portfolio management, program management, enterprise-wide collaboration, custom workflows, data security and compliance, single sign-on SSO, dedicated account management, scalability for thousands of users, business process management. ClickUp enables large organizations to align their teams, manage complex projects, and drive business outcomes. Specific industries. ClickUp's versatility makes it applicable to various industries. Here are some examples. Marketing. Marketing teams use ClickUp to plan campaigns, track marketing activities, manage content calendars, and collaborate on creative projects. Software development. Agile teams use ClickUp to manage sprints, track bugs, plan product roadmaps, and collaborate on code development. Design. Design teams use ClickUp to manage design projects, track design iterations, collaborate on feedback, and organize design assets. Education. Educational institutions use ClickUp to manage courses, assignments, student projects, and administrative tasks. Healthcare. Healthcare organizations use ClickUp to manage patient information, track medical procedures, coordinate staff schedules, and ensure compliance. Manufacturing. Manufacturing companies use ClickUp to manage production schedules, track inventory, coordinate supply chains, and manage quality control. Nonprofits. Nonprofit organizations use ClickUp to manage fundraising campaigns, track donations, coordinate volunteers, and manage program activities. Teams within organizations. Within organizations, different teams use ClickUp for their specific needs. Project management teams. These teams use ClickUp to plan, execute, and track projects, manage resources, and ensure timely delivery. Product teams. Product teams use ClickUp to manage product development, track features, gather feedback, and prioritize tasks. Sales teams. Sales teams use ClickUp to manage sales pipelines, track leads, automate sales processes, and collaborate on deals. HR teams. HR teams use ClickUp to manage recruitment, onboarding, employee records, and HR processes. Operations teams. Operations teams use ClickUp to manage daily operations, streamline workflows, and improve efficiency. IT teams. IT teams use ClickUp to manage IT projects, track support requests, and manage system maintenance. Global reach. ClickUp has a global user base, with users in numerous countries and regions. Its availability in multiple languages and its support for various time zones make it accessible to teams worldwide. A tool for everyone. ClickUp's flexibility and customization options make it a tool for a wide range of users, from individuals and small businesses to large enterprises across various industries. Its ability to adapt to different workflows and needs has contributed to its widespread adoption. Whether you're a freelancer, a startup, or a multinational corporation, ClickUp can help you manage your work, improve productivity, and achieve your goals.